What's the elevation of Machu Picchu? 7,972 feet or 2,430 meters for the rest of the world. But hey, that might not be all of why you're here. A simple answer to a simple question, sure, but there's a little more to it. I'm David Kozlowski with Kachi Life, and right now we're going to be breaking down Machu Picchu's elevation. So Machu Picchu's elevation, let's go ahead and take a look at it in comparison to others like Denver, Colorado, which sits at 5,280 feet. Machu Picchu, like I said, is at 7,972 feet. Now, Cusco City, on the other hand, the city most of you will arrive into before going to Machu Picchu, is a bit higher, sitting at 11,152 feet. Now, the kicker, we talked about this in our podcast, is Rainbow Mountain. Don't do this day after you arrive in Cusco. We've made that mistake. Learn from us. Rainbow Mountain is climbing up at 17,060 feet, and just to compare, Everest is at 29,029 feet. So how do we prepare? Well, a couple quick tips before we send you off into the high clouds of Peru. Arrive in Cusco 2 days prior to any strenuous hikes. Cusco's a fun city and a city tour is cheap, kills time, includes an airport pickup, and allows you to know what to see for the next day as you relax. Drink the coca tea. Don't if you're like allergic or something you're afraid of, like a drug test. I don't know. It's coca leaf in hot water, so be warned. It's not the stuff that gets you high, but it's the stuff that makes being high a lot more bearable. See what I did there? That was pretty good. Coca tea has been used for ages as a natural remedy for elevation sickness, so drink up. Last thing I would recommend is meeting with your doctor beforehand or a travel doctor to see if you can get some sort of elevation sickness meds. Just make sure that you're drinking lots of water before and after you arrive in Cusco. Legit, drink lots of water. I can't stress that enough. If you have asthma, you smoke, COPD, or anything related to a lung condition, I won't lie, as an asthmatic myself, it can be difficult your first night or two. I remember one of my trips to Cusco, I felt very heavy breathing my first night, but it did go away and it wasn't anything unbearable. Hopefully this answers any of your questions related to Machu Picchu and its elevation. Again, I'm David Kozlowski with Kachi Life. Thanks for watching and happy travels.